Talking about fights, I think what makes it easier is when you have a wonderful support system around
Oh
you.
my God.
जब आपके पास है ऐसी लड़कियां, when you have your girls to constantly uplift you, cheer you up, support you.
Oh.
So you want to give a shout out to your girls?
Oh my God, yes. I think there's no substitute for sisterhood. You know, sisterhood, girlhood, when you have your girls celebrating each other without that sense of competition, there is just such beautiful magic. And that's because there's shared chaos and calm.
Huh.
Like I said, a girls' sleepover is a podcast,
Yes.
right? And contrary to what boys may assume that we're discussing boys, I mean, I mean, sometimes, yeah, you
we
got to
do.
throw in the boy
We do.
in it. But there's everything from just talking about dreams and fantasies to skincare and food and some gossip and men. But so much of it is reflective.
Yeah.
So much of it is bearing your soul. So I love my girls and there's always a reality check. And you know, those are the friends जो आपको बताएं कि अच्छा आपके दांत में कुछ हैं, वो आपके दोस्त हैं. है ना? It's true.
Oh
It's
my God.
true.
A lipstick लगी है दांत पर.
Lipstick लगी है.
Yeah.
You know, कि ना कि honesty. They should
Correct.
not be afraid to be honest with you.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't need like just yes, very good वाले friends. वो आपके दोस्त हैं जो आपका मजाक भी उड़ाएं, जो
That's true.
डरे ना.
Correct.
And who will understand if you are not always around. Like, you know, some of my closest friends, I may not meet them often, but when we do meet, it's like time hasn't passed. And just being, you know, that feeling of just being in bed, watching something fun, take out Chinese or like chaat or something, and just chilling and being lazy, lethargic with your girls.
Yeah.
I love it. I live for it.
Yeah.
It's so comforting.
Yeah, sure. All right, Shreya, we will finally end with one last segment.
Okay.
So this is a segment called The Firsts.
Okay. First period. I have this memory so clear. This was, I think, in the 6th or 7th grade. And I was so excited.
You were excited?
I was so excited. I was properly educated about what periods are and stuff. And in fact, I stained myself in class and the boy sitting behind me got so scared that he wrote a letter to me. There is something on your skirt. And it was that sports day, so white skirt.
Oh no.
He must have freaked out. Also, this whole thing of whispering, you know, have you noticed
Correct,
girls do this? That, do you have a
Yes.
Just ask for a pad, sanitary pad. Do you have a pad? Why are we whispering about pads anymore?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
That's right. First heartbreak.
First heartbreak was, even though I broke up, it was a heartbreak because it was a heartbreak still, yeah. Oh, feels horrible in the moment, doesn't it?
क्या coping mechanism क्या है आपका?
Rona.
I like crying.
Crying, you enjoy crying?
Yeah, I'm a fan.
Like bha crying or like subtle, ऐसे graceful आंसू?
Bha
crying.
Full.
मेरे कभी graceful आंसू निकलते हैं.
How do you do that?
I don't know. Like in the sense, I can like I'll sit and I'll get overwhelmed and I can cry. So it's never like
out loud.
That also happens.
Yeah, but I'm saying you're capable of gracefully crying.
In the 3rd, 4th month. 3rd, 4th month. Okay. The ugly cries and the 4th.
Okay. First crush.
Is it weird that I had a crush on Simba from Lion King?
Wow.
Is that totally weird?
No, but
is that a weird answer? I don't know, but I think it's a weird answer. But I remember, like, I don't know. Wait, no, that's a weird answer.
It's a cute one, yeah.
As a child, I loved Simba.
That's cute. First song you dedicated to someone?
For me, when I think of romantic songs, I always go back to the Mohammed Rafi and Kishore Kumar classics. So for me, Lag Ja Gale is a song that is evergreen. Abhi bhi mujhe wo gana bahut pasand hai. So that is a song that I know that I've always heard with somebody who I've really loved.
Can you sing for us? Because we know you can. Because we know you're so good at it.
Lag ja gale ke phir ye हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले.
Aseer, amazing. I agree. This is evergreen, and you have such a mishti voice. Last question,
Yeah.
Shreya. First time you stood up for yourself.
I'll tell you the last
Heavy.
time, because there's always a time when unfortunately we need to. The battles
know.
don't end, man.
Yeah.
The first time I stood up for myself was when so I told you I used to swim competitively, right? And पूरे दिन हम धूप में swim करते थे, so I would be like completely tanned, chlorine, and being under the sun. And there's a lady who commented to me saying कितनी काली हो गई है. My mother was next to me, and before my mother said anything, I looked at her and said, मैं gold medal जीत रही हूँ. I stood up for myself and I kind of told her that this is not cool, you know.
Yeah.
I went to that, I am winning gold medal, shut up. Like I went to that space.
Yeah.
But
amazing. I mean, that's the absolutely appropriate response. Sure, of course. अच्छा, so प्यार दोस्ती है.
I mean, मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है that the person that I'm in love with, I'm also good friends with.
Absolutely.
You know, I know I'm truly in love with someone when I'm comfortable being even silent with them in a room. बस पड़े हैं, अपना अपना कर रहे हैं, but we're happy being around each other, even if not in each other's face all the time. So that comfort that friendship offers,
Yes.
I seek that in love also. The other day I asked my parents that what is one thing that would be most important for you in a man to be with me? In a second, my father answered, he just has to love you as much as we love you.
Oh, that's
Because
sweet.
that emotional security, when you've grown up with, you won't ever compromise on that.
Yeah, you have high
You know?
standards.
A man who feels like
I
home and adventure, dono.
Ha.
You want that sense of security and you want that wildness both, right?
Yeah.
Not too much to ask for,
Nahin,
but
absolutely
not too much to
Nahin.
ask for.
But how are you कैसे आप बच रहे हो ये शादी कब करोगी इस सवाल से?
आपको लगता है मैं बच रही हूँ?
नहीं बच रही.
I mean, ये पिछले 1 साल में मैंने नोटिस किया है कि लोग पूछने लगे हैं. नहीं पूछते थे पहले, because they understand, you know, profession में आपके एक अलग zone हो सकता है, whatever it is, but subtly पूछते हैं. And I've never been pressurized to answer this question of when are you going to get married or anything, because people who know me well, my family, they know that I'm sensible enough कि when I meet a man who I know I want to take that leap of faith with, मैं वो करूँगी. जल्दबाजी में कुछ नहीं करना है. And my parents always said one thing to me. They said, if you don't want to get married, we support you. But if you want to get married, then don't think that your ceiling is going to fall apart and someone's going to just land up before you, even though that may be a cinematic, great visual.
Yes.
If it may not be happening organically, then you also have to make that effort to put that energy out there. So their question is, are you putting energy out? Correct. Is their question.
I know.
Yeah,
exactly.
it's too funny.
Exactly.
And then, you know, people say, right, you'll find him when you're not looking. So I'm always walking like this.
Oh my God.
I'm not looking up. I'm not looking for him because apparently he'll bump into me.
What a timing. I mean, I just saw this yesterday also. Somebody was saying that love comes to you when you stop looking for it.
इसलिए मैं glasses
like,
पहन के
okay.
घूमती हूँ. मैं देख ही नहीं रही हूँ. इधर होगा तो भी नहीं देख रही हूँ मैं. कहाँ है वो? मुझे पता ही नहीं.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.